Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Tesla Roddy. So basically, what this article is about, it's just stating that, as we can see from the title, Tesla makes it right with the suspected lemon Cybertruck owner. So according to this article, there's this owner. His name is he goes by the name of Lamar MK on X, and he bought a Cybertruck about 11 months ago, and somehow it turns out it to be a lemon. So here it says that he went through a lot of efforts, to have his the truck to be considered as a lemon, and Tesla offered him either a full refund or to give him another Cybertruck, and he actually decided to get another Cybertruck instead of the refund because he stated somewhere on here if he were to get a refund, he would have to put back on the queue, and it would take him forever to get the another Cybertruck. So as we can see, there's a short video clip of it, so I'm gonna play it so you guys can see it. So do you guys think Tesla did the right thing or not?
What's up? What's up? Hey, Tesla made it right, guys. Tesla made it right. Check it out. We got a brand new Tesla Cybertruck right here. Look at it. That thing looks super sweet. Oh, man. There's the old one. They're going to take that one back, take it to the lab. It's an early VIN. It's like early 2200s. So they're going to take that one back and go through it. This one right here, the VIN is 12,000 range. So wow, they're pumping out a lot of Tesla Cybertrucks, but I'm super happy they made it right, man. Hey, it was a sucky experience. It's almost 3 months since I took delivery, and it's been a roller coaster pretty much, but I'm glad they made it right, and now I have a brand new Tesla Cybertruck. So about a week and a half ago since my last video, and I'm here to get a brand new one. So I'll give you guys more details in a YouTube video that's coming, so make sure to go over there and subscribe and stay tuned. But big shout out to all the people at Tesla. You guys did the right thing. Check it out. Still representing the Tesla brand. I'm all in on Tesla, man.
All right, so we're gonna hop over to X real quick and take a look at his post here. So let's give you a little summary. So I first joined the Tesla family around 11 months ago, but I've always been a fan. Yesterday, when I received my replacement Cybertruck, my confidence in the brand was completely restored. This level of customer service is exactly what I expect from a company I love and support. I extend my gratitude to other dedicated individuals at Tesla who took time out of their workdays and weekends to resolve this issue. Words can't express how thankful I am, and a huge thank you to Tesla community for their unwavering support. There we go. That's another picture. So I'll list this information, so if you guys want to read more about it, you can do so. And he mentioned about his YouTube channel as well too. So maybe you want to go there and check it out as well too. So in this article, they didn't elaborate much about the vehicle itself. He mentioned something about the air conditionings and the panel gaps and stuff like that, but didn't go into much detail. So what do you guys think? Tesla did the right thing, or actually, put it this way: so how many vehicles did Tesla actually consider as a lemon, or how did it happen to you guys? Was it hard? What is your experience with Tesla if you do have a vehicle that is a lemon? Was it how long did it take you? Was it back and forth? Um, in this article, it didn't tell us much about the process. Say that he had to go through a lot of he did a lot of work to have the vehicle to be considered a lemon, and Tesla did receive or give him a replacement or a full refund. So I'm not sure if any of you guys experience it, and if so, would you like to share your own experience with us? You know what I mean? So, but in the end, so Tesla, by giving him the option for a buyback, 100% refunds, or to get another vehicle, I think that makes us as consumers, um, feel that I think it is the right thing for them to do. But like I said, I don't know what the process is or how long it was it took him to have Tesla consider that as a lemon because I heard there's a lemon law and it's really hard. I think if a manufacturer can't fix your car more than 3 times the same item, then they consider it as a lemon. But other than that, I don't know. But let us know. What do you guys think? So that's pretty much it for this article, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below.